Vrbo Vacation App Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. If you're planning your next getaway, Vrbo promises a world of vacation rentals at your fingertips. But in 2025, is the app still worth using? Let's dive in. Most people get this wrong by assuming Vrbo is the same as Airbnb. The surprising truth is that Vrbo focuses primarily on full property rentals, making it ideal for families or groups seeking privacy and space. You can find everything from beachfront villas to mountain cabins, often with amenities that hotels can't match. The biggest pros are selection and transparency. The app allows you to filter properties by price, location, amenities, and guest ratings. Vrbo also provides clear cancellation policies and secure payment options, giving travelers peace of mind. Customer reviews are plentiful, helping you make informed decisions. However, there are cons. Service fees can be high, sometimes up to 12%, and some listings are managed by third-party property managers, which may affect responsiveness. The app's interface, while functional, can feel cluttered with multiple listings in high-demand areas, making it harder to compare options quickly. In conclusion, Vrbo in 2025 remains an excellent choice for travelers seeking privacy, comfort, and a wide range of vacation homes. If you value full property rentals with verified reviews and secure booking, Vrbo delivers. Just be mindful of service fees and take time to read reviews thoroughly to ensure the best experience. For families and group travelers, it's definitely worth checking out.